kids. Today's video is brought to you by Grand Theft Auto. Please check out this metal song while Ranger Joey fucks your mother. Donkey Punch galore.
I don't give a shit! You better check off first before I break it! I'll kill everything same thing, even I don't care! No respect for humanity! Everyone's a fucking This is the breakdown part. You should be headbanging.
I'm a bad motherfucker, you see. I got bitches on the nuts and they won't get off. I'm just a
Yesterday. Oh, yesterday seems so far away. Now I'm returning back to motherfucking skull. Yesterday, a satanic ritual. Yesterday, all my troubles were so far away. Thank you.
Good night, you little fuckers. You better pray that Mike Tyson doesn't bash your skull. Ranger Joey's the shit, and I also fucked your grandma 12 years ago. Fuck off. Come and toss my salad and not even wipe my ass, you fat fuck. Your wife sucks my thick bird cock every night. Shit for brains. Joe Pesci